So, unfortunately for me, I can build a car, I can take shit apart, I can put it back together. When it comes to stuff like this, I have no idea what is going on. Um, so, we're just getting into the logs here now. But hopefully this gives us something. I don't know, man. So I don't know if you can see this, but it says ECU self-test 3. That's a new one. The other two are camshaft position sensor and thermostat control. I know those were there, but this ECU self-test 3 is new. I don't know what that means. I don't have any information on it. Like the tablet doesn't have any information, so we're going to search that one up and then see what kind of information we get from there. Alright, so if you have owned a E46 and you've done your own work on the car and you're on YouTube, I know you've come across that E50s kid. He just saved my life, maybe. We're going to figure that out. So he said you have to do like a key test to see if the key is reading the car. And pretty much all that is you close the door, put the key in, the ignition, turn it once till you get that seatbelt light, oil inspection light, and then if you open the door, it should beep. This one is not beeping. So, my guess is the key is bad. That's what they said. They said that the key could be bad. So I'm going to call somebody, get somebody here to fix the key, get a new key or whatnot. And then pretty much we'll go from there. If that's not it, that's not the issue, I get a new key and it doesn't work, we will do some more deep diving. But I'm going to watch the rest of this video, see if there's anything else I can try. And then from there, I guess we'll call it a day. Hopefully this works. Okay, so I just had a little spark in my brain. I thought about reprogramming the key. Maybe the key didn't work. Maybe I got a new key. But I don't know. It unlocks and locks the car, so I'm starting to think that the key is not bad. But I don't know. We'll put a new battery in it and then see what happens, I guess. So I'm going to try and bypass the EWS. All you really need is a fuse. I'm just going to modify this fuse by cutting the sides off just a touch. But yeah, so once I get this fuse cut, which will take 1 second, we are going to throw it into the EWS bypass, and then pretty much see if my starter is bad or if the starter switch or if the starter itself is bad. So we're gonna go throw this in there and then I'll show you what it looks like while it's in. So it is a bit of a pain to get to, but this is your EWS right here, and then you just pull this clip out and throw the fuse right in there. Got me late, crazy. Alright, I'm stuck. Okay, and then if it cranks, I'm gonna have to check. I don't exactly remember what he said if it cranks, but let's see if it does crank. And it started. Alright. So my EWS is bad. I don't know if I buy a new one, get it recalibrated, or if I just carry a bunch of fuses on me. But yeah, I mean, it started, I don't know how the EWS just goes bad like that. I guess it's just cars, but she's running. It wasn't the battery. I thought it was the battery. It wasn't the key. Thought it was the key. It's the EWS. I think for now I will probably just run it with the fuses. I don't really drive it. I'm not gonna really drive it, so I guess it is what it is. But yo, huge shout out to that 50s kid. Crazy. I don't know how he learns all this information, but he just does. Yeah, I mean, she's running. I guess that's good. I guess we will, I don't know, we'll figure out what we're gonna do with it in the meantime, but it's gonna be a little bit of a shorter video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think we got some more work going to the Corvette soon, maybe new Corvette. The Stingray is coming along. Bunch of parts, bunch more parts right here. Got the dash pulled apart. Yeah. If anyone wants some Series 5 seats, they are free probably. I think we're getting a whole bunch of new bucket seats in. But yeah, LS is getting stripped. WRX is going for sale maybe. I don't know what we're doing with that yet. But she runs. So it's a good day. It's a good day. So we have a whole bunch of stuff coming up. Drift event the 25th, 26th, Friday. I think I only got a Friday ticket, but we'll see what we can do. Whole bunch of tires. We're switching up the tire pattern. We have 225s on right now. We are switching to a 215. I don't know how much of a difference it will be, but full way, I've heard the tires are great. It was $50 a tire. So we got stacks of tires. Yeah, but we got a whole bunch of stuff coming up. These are gonna be a lifesaver for now. I don't know. I guess we'll figure out what we got going on with the EWS. I don't even know what that means, but I'm just glad we got this figured out. She lives to see another day. There is no killing this car. So if you have an E46, no crank, no start, do what I did. Try the key test. See if your key is still paired with your car. And then do that bypass, the EWS bypass. Super easy. It literally took me 5 minutes. And then if not, starter ignition, starter itself. But you could go from there.
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough,